Hey guys, good afternoon. Really, how's it going? There's another ticker that I've been hearing a lot. It's called DAG or Constellation. This is not something that I would personally hold long term, as I do like LSS a lot more, and I think that it can definitely be more of a long term value, right? As opposed to something like a DAG or Constellation that I think can more than likely be added to more exchanges, but also I think it would be more of a short term gain as opposed to doing holding long term and not really caring or looking about it too often. My chart looks a little complicated right now. I don't want to complicate things too much, but essentially is last time we closed the bullish week, you actually ran from 3 cents to highs of 45 cents. I actually think we're going to see a similar run pretty soon when we close another bull week for DAG. I still think we're in a downtrend unless we actually break. We had a perfect retracement of 0.618, but again, if we do end up bouncing from here, I think right now we're at a perfect accumulation phase. I do think that once we close that bull week on the reverse MACD, I think that we are going to be running close to like a 60-cent mark, which would bring this, if you buy in right now, it would bring you close to like a 300 X gain or so, right? Especially if you're buying at like 20 cents. Obviously, if you go to 60 cents, it's like 300% gain, right? But I'm not gonna be putting any of my money from LSS into this. I might buy like a very small position just to play it, but honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna buy DAG, as I'm already pretty invested into LSS, and I think I'll stick with that. And I don't want to be trading all that much. I mean, if DAG was available for me to trade on like Forex or something, I'd definitely open a position like right now. But it's not. So I think for the most, I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys in case anybody wants to jump in. I do think it's getting set up to run to the high side. Again, there's a lot of confluence on it. 0.618 fib. It's on previous resistance, not retesting as support. It is going to be trading within the channel, and more than likely it will be closing a bull week, possibly in the next week or two. I don't even know about this week, maybe next week, unless you have a really bullish push to the upside on DAG or Constellation. I don't think it'll close a bull week yet, but if it does, I will definitely update you guys pretty soon. And again, I know a lot of people don't have access to my to my reverse MACD. I don't really give access to that unless you're part of the Patreon. I'll link it below because I know I've been pretty bad about linking it, and I've had people ask me, and I should probably get better at that. But I'll see you guys later. Quick DAGTA. I think it is going to probably run to the upside, and I would not be surprised to see it at 60 cents, possibly in the next, I don't know, like 2 to 3 months or so. I would definitely not be surprised. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.